In 1990, two men pulled off the biggest art heist in history by simply knocking on the door. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston was home to priceless masterpieces. Vermeer, Rembrandt, worth $500 million. At 1:13 in the morning, two men dressed as Boston police officers approached the security desk. "We got a call about a disturbance," they told the guards. The guards let them in. Fatal mistake. Within minutes, both guards were handcuffed and tied up in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, the thieves moved through the museum like they owned it. They cut paintings right out of their frames, ignored some of the most valuable pieces, took exactly what they came for. 13 works of art, gone. The FBI launched one of the longest investigations in history. 34 years, $10 million reward, 0 arrests. The empty frames still hang on the museum walls today, a $500 million mystery that remains unsolved.